shuffle it. Shuffle it.
For the third and last part, we're gonna do the shuffle na. So, yung first step nun, gagawa tayo ng 4 running mans. Running man yung ganyan, ganyan. Yung ganyan yung tinuro ko. Pero kanina mabagal yun, kailangan natin bilisan kasi imbes na 2 counts yung up and down, 1 count na lang yun. So parang down, down. So gawin natin yung 4 times kasi 4 counts. So parang 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. After ng 4th count, running man ulit pero we're gonna do it a bit lower. Parang running man 1, up, 2, up. So, actually mas mabagal din siya kasi ang mangyayari parang 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So, yun yung first 8. Yung tsura niya dapat ganito. 1. So, every day I'm shuffling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. For the second 8, ang gagawin natin is, i-cross natin yung right leg natin dito, may konting snap, and then switch natin ulit dito, na may look din. So, di ba ganito yun? Then, cross, and look. Kasi after ng look, mag-running man ulit tayo papunta doon, twice lang. So, after this, running man, running man. Dito lang yan, kasi ang gagawin natin is, isa-slide natin yung left foot natin dito para matulak natin, mas-spin natin yung body natin papunta sa likod. So, slide, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. For the third 8, we're gonna push our right foot to the side, and then left foot to the side. So, it's gonna look something like 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For the last 8, dito tayo tumigil, diba? Sa tap, tap. Running man ulit. So, 1 and 2, tapos slide yung foot dito, and then step here. So, ilang counts ba? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. For the last part, after nung slide, then step, crossin natin yung legs natin parang ganito. 4 times. So, galing tayo sa running man. Slide, then step, then cross, 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 cross. Pero habang ito cross yung legs natin, tinataas na natin yung arms natin na parang threader move. So parang cross, 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 cross. Yun lang.
Every day I'm shuffling.